We bought this old hay wagon to rebuild and use on our farm, and you can see that the wood on top definitely needs to be replaced. So we cut down a couple of nice sized oak trees in our woods. We got the sawmill out, and we're going to cut them up to make our own lumber to rebuild it. Let's do it. Okay, so here's our nice oak square. It is now ready for us to cut it into dimensional lumber. The video footage never shows how heavy these wet logs actually are. It's like picking up a piece of concrete that big. It's insane. So these 4 boards that you see here are what we just got out of that log. There is still some log left over, but anyway, these 4 are going to be the middle section of that trailer that we are rebuilding. These are 1.5 inches thick. We cut up a second log and cut some more boards. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 6 new boards here, and then we got the 4 that we cut up over here. Stay tuned for the full trailer rebuild video. It's almost finished, so I'll be posting it soon. In real life though, it's done, and it's almost unbelievable how good the trailer looks. It looks brand new. We used it during hay season. It was perfect. We also used it for some other stuff and dumping gravel around the farm. So anyway, stay tuned for that because I'll get it posted soon because it is amazing. James put so much time into it, and you can really tell because it is awesome. Happy homesteading.